The Mingfuxin Mini Table Saw MFXT-10000 offers an expansive operating platform and high-quality accessories, making it ideal for various crafting and DIY projects. Equipped with a detachable and flexible 42.5-inch shaft, this saw is perfect for precision cutting and is highly adaptable for different project sizes. The rock saw features an impressive variable speed control of 0 to 10,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for versatile use across different materials. Powered by a robust 110-volt, 350-watt motor, the saw maintains consistent performance without sacrificing speed or quality. The compact design of the machine, measuring approximately 10.4 by 8.7 by 5.3 inches, makes it portable yet powerful for its size. With excellent customer support, users can rely on the manufacturer for assistance and guidance in assembling and using the product effectively.